Welcome to Organic DIY. In today's video we're going to be making a very highly needed recipe for a lot of men and some women. If you battle from stinking shoes and feet, this video is for you. So what we're going to be making is a treatment to rectify stinking shoes and feet. As we all know, foot fungus is behind stinking shoes and feet. So today what we're going to be making will stop foot fungus and prevent it from coming back. Okay, so what we're going to be using for today's treatment is tea tree oil, baking soda, tea tree oil, baking soda, and that's about it. So after this treatment, you will love your feet, because all this embarrassing stinkiness in the feet and the socks in your shoes will be over. Just keep in mind that you have to continue using this to kill the foot fungus. Okay, so you need a sugar or spice shaker or salt shaker. You can use anyone you have, any of them from the kitchen. So I have this right now, it's time shaker, so I have this. You need something like this, and I'll tell you why you need this later on. So we need baking soda. You need 2 ounces, so that's like one quarter of a cup. So what you do is you take 1/4 of a cup of baking soda. Make sure it's gluten free. It's always the best for your feet. Okay, make sure your baking soda is gluten free. If you're looking for where to get this, you'll see a link in the description box below. So we have our baking soda here, gluten free. Here is the brand I'm using, very good. There's a link in the description box below. So then we have our tea tree oil. You need like 5 to 8 drops, but you're going to mix it like in batch. Okay, so we have this. Then let's first drop 3 drops. We need 5 to 8 drops, so let's use 8 drops for this recipe. So we're going to drop 3 first. 1, 2, 3. I think I have 5. So we shake it. Make sure we mix it very well. I'm going to explain what this will do to you, your feet, what the function of each of this after this rest. So we dropped 3, so we're going to drop another 3. Make sure you don't drop it all at once. Okay, the essence of this is to be able to absorb all the ingredients, for the tea tree oil to be able to properly mix with your baking soda. So then we're going to drop 2 more. If you like tea tree oil, if you like essential oil, you can use up to 10 for this treatment. You can use up to 10 drops. But just make sure you don't add all the drops at once. So okay, we have it all ready. The antifungal property of tea tree oil is going to help this treatment. It's very important that you mix it very well. Mix it very well. This treatment will stop foot fungus and prevent it from reoccurring. It's good. It's proven. This is what I use in my household. This is what I recommend to most of my clients. Okay, so you transfer it into your salt shaker or sugar shaker, whatever you have. Let's work with whatever we have in our kitchen. Just transfer it gently, so you don't want to lose any of your precious fungus killer. So I'm transferring it into the spice shaker now. That's what I have. That's what I'm working with. Okay, all done. When you have it in the shaker, just shake it together a little bit more. So now you have what you're going to use to keep foot fungus from coming back. This treatment is very efficient in killing foot fungus, so you don't have to worry no more. You have the power in your hand now to kill foot fungus. So I'm going to tell you how you're going to apply it. You're going to apply this liberally. You're going to apply like large amount on your shoe or socks before wearing it. Okay, apply a lot of it on your shoe and socks before wearing them. And after that's the first application. Apply it on your shoe and socks before wearing them. The second application is you apply it between your feet and your toes after your bath. After showering, you apply it between your feet and your toes. That's like good in the morning and at night. So this treatment should be applied in the morning and at night. So again, let me just recap the application. It's very important that you apply it liberally. You apply large amounts. Okay, don't worry about this, of course. We all know that this is going to stop the foot fungus from coming back. Okay, you apply it on your shoes and socks before wearing them. That's the first application. The second application is after showering. You apply between your feet and your toes. Make sure you use a liberal amount. You don't have to manage it. Use liberal amounts, because the essence of this is to keep foot fungus from coming back. So use this twice in the morning and at night. And usually most of my clients see this end of this foot fungus problem within 2 weeks of constant application in the morning and at night. So don't forget, you apply between your shoes and socks before wearing them. Then you sprinkle this on your feet and your toes after showering. So that's how you do it. So a quick recap of this lifesaver. You need 1/4 of baking soda. That's 2 ounces. Okay, so then you need 5 to 8 drops. If you like essential oil, this is organic, so you can use up to 10 if you like. So, but for this treatment, I'm using 5 to 8 drops. If you like, you can still go up to 10 drops. So you apply it. First, you apply 3 drops of essential oil in your baking soda. 1/4 cup. Apply 3 ounces, mix it together. Then apply another 3 ounces. Sorry about that. Apply another 3 drops of tea tree essential oil, mix it together. Then the last 2 drops, mix it together. Then you make sure you mix it thoroughly. You can use a fork, okay, to mix it. Make sure you mix it thoroughly. The essence of it is to mix the antifungal property of tea tree oil with the antibacterial property of your baking soda. So then after mixing it together, you transfer it to your shaker. Then the application you applied on your feet and socks before wearing them. That's the first application. The second application is you applied on your feet and toes after showering. So that's about it, guys. If you have any question, feel free to drop it in the comment box below. For where to get this product, this is organic tea tree oil, USDA certified organic. For where to get all those products, look in the description box below. If you love this video, please give me a thumbs up. Feel free to drop any request, any remedy request, or any treatment request that you may have in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in today. Thanks for watching.